welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai. I'm gonna be doing a haul for my second video here on YouTube. A lot of this stuff is from Anime Pasadena, which I will be uploading a vlog for that very soon. But other stuff I've just kind of been sitting on to throw in this video. Other things I've opened and they've since fallen into the void. So I figured, why not get rid of all this mess here and do a haul? So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is not from Anime Pasadena. I love Haikyuu. I have a tattoo of Haikyuu. I have a figure collection. So obviously I have Haikyuu figures. However, Haikyuu does not have the best figures. They basically have Pop-Up Parades, some older ones, and Nendoroids. And I'm pointing here because my figure case is right here. And I loathe Nendoroids because they're so hard to put together as cute as they are. But for Haikyuu, I gotta do it. So I got Osamu. This was a pre-order I have, and he's my preferred Mia twin. I do have a few more Haikyuu characters I want to get. I want to add to my collection. But I have this one to add today. I love him so much. I am going to be posing him with his little rice bowl, just because I think he's super cute that way. And yeah. So the next thing I have is also not from Anime Pasadena, and I am a gacha addict. There are a few gachas that I didn't even wait, and I didn't open any on camera because I just wanted to see what I got. And I recently cosplayed Barto, and so this is a gacha of Barto in his normal Dressrosa outfit, and I love him so much, and I'm so excited to have him. Alright. Another thing that I got from that same store in Little Tokyo, which I do not recall the name, is this cute little boba keychain. It did have like this weird like little princess saying on it, and I just took that off. So now it's just like a cute little Thai tea boba keychain. And the last non-Anime Pasadena item I have is this chopper bank. I saw this chopper bank on TikTok, and I actually went to Little Tokyo to go to Neko Stop to try to get more of the Sweet Dreams, and they didn't have it. So in order to cope, I got this really cute chopper piggy bank, and I've already opened it and put batteries. I've already opened and put batteries in it, and this is him. He has a few different sayings that he says, but essentially you put a little coin on the top here and he comes and grabs it, and it's super cute, and I love him so much. Do I need a piggy bank? No. Am I a 24-year-old adult? Yes. But he's so cute. And the next few things I'm gonna show you are from Anime Pasadena. I essentially spent most of my money on blind boxes, as you'll see in my vlog, and one of the blind bags I got is not even worth showing. This was a huge disappointment for me. A lot of stuff and a lot of people were My Hero Academia, which I've kind of fallen off on, so I will be using a lot of those things for future giveaways. So I'm not even gonna bother showing that. That's just a waste of time. But there was a booth, okay, and this lady had great blind boxes. So I'm gonna show you some of the things from the blind boxes. Some of them are not in here anymore, but this is most of it. So yeah. So these are the blind boxes. They're really large, good size. They were like $40 a piece, and I definitely say they're worth it because they have either a full-size figure or a pop toy. They have plushies, tons of fun things, which I will show you, and you'll see my excitement as I show you in my vlogs. So I have two of them here to show you. So in the first one, I have this like really cute changing sticker. I'm not the biggest fan of these sorts of stickers because I've really been motion sickness, and these low-key make me sick. But I do love this moment in the anime right there when they're saying goodbye to Vivi. So I have that. I also got this really cute boba plushie keychain. Not sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but it is super adorable. And along with this, you also get an actual plushie. So for this one, I got a Hisoka plush. I'm not the biggest fan of these just because I think their hair is a little bit funny. And it's not just this one in particular. All of them are a little bit weird to me. But I do like his character, so yeah. There's that. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Also, each of these come with like a little candy and ramen, which is really cute. I don't eat pork or beef, but you know, someone will. The next thing I got is actually from the blind bag, and this was pretty much the only thing I liked in it. This is actually, the blind bags were like $40–50. This is actually like worth $20 at Frankenstein's. For what reason, I have no idea, but I've been wanting it. It's the Going Merry, and what I'm gonna do with it is make it into like a little chain, like tie a chain on it and hang it from my car. So I actually have really been wanting this. I just don't want to pay $20, so I'll pay $50 on a horrible blind bag, I guess. The next thing is this Jujutsu Kaisen like little lanyard and keychain. They also come with a magnet, and for my magnet I got a Pikachu. For the coin purse sort of thing you get, I got this Trunks one. I think it's Trunks. I'm 99.9% sure. I've only seen Dragon Ball Super, so don't come for me. The next thing I got, I did get a lot of One Piece stuff, which is super exciting because they had like bags that were specific to an anime, and I ended up giving, or Angela, who I went with, wanted that one, so I gave it to, I was like, oh my god, get that one, I'll get one of the blind ones. Then I got a lot of One Piece stuff, so I'm not even mad at it. I got this like little Luffy luggage tag, which is so cute. So whenever I can travel again, this will definitely be coming with me. And then for my figure, and this one I actually got a full-size Sega figure, and it is this Gojo one. I personally love Gojo, but I have like a really cool Gojo figure in my collection already, and if you guys want to see a figure collection video, just let me know. So I will probably be adding this to the giveaway, but I thought it was still worth showing because it's not a bad figure. And for my second blind box, I also got just sort of the mixed anime one. So for my mug and this one, I got Pokemon. And I'm actually going to be reusing these boxes for my own. So I have this Evolution mug and a Mimikyu coaster. Not the same Pokemon, but the same universe, so I'll take it. Like the other one, candy, ramen. I also got a luggage tag, and this one that was One Piece, and it is the Chopper in his like Chopper Man outfit, which I have a plushie that matches. So I'm super excited for this one. Obviously, you're gonna have more than one luggage, like little suitcase, so I can put both of them on there. I got this like Pokemon pouch. It's got 2 zippers. I don't know if I'll use this. I might just give it to my little brother. We'll see. And actually, something I'm super excited about, not to actually use, but just to sort of have, is this Naruto coin pouch that I got, which is super cute. It's his like little froggy one. So yeah, super cute. For the motion sticker on this one, I got Zenitsu, who I love. And this one, oh, it's actually very minimal motion. He basically just goes from having a sparkle to not having a sparkle, so I actually will keep this one. And for my lanyard, I also got One Piece. So I have a Zoro lanyard with like a little Luffy keychain and then a Law like little badge holder. They also come with enamel pens. I gave away my enamel pen in my other one, and I'll be giving this one away, but it's still cute, so it's showing. This is also a My Hero Academia little enamel pen. And then for my magnet, I got a Dragon Ball Z magnet. Okay, so the next thing I have in my haul is probably one of my favorite things that I got for the entirety of Anime Pasadena. It was pretty expensive, but worth it. Will it ever get cold enough in LA to wear this? I'm not sure, but I got this really hefty Wano Zoro jacket. I was torn between the Wano Luffy and the Wano Zoro, but Angela told me to pick a number, and I picked it, and it was Zoro, so I'm not mad. This is from Anime Gear Guru. A lot of people at the con had this, and I've seen a lot of people on TikTok from this brand, and 10 out of 10 worth it. It comes with a hood. Some are thicker than others, so just be mindful of that if you ever purchase one, but I absolutely love this. It's so cute. Okay, and the last stuff I have from you guys, I actually did not purchase a lot from Artist Alley at this con because I spent a lot at Comic-Con and Anime Expo. So I did see one booth, and they had this really cute Haikyuu bag. You got if you spent $50. I wanted the Karasuno one, it was sold out, so I went with Fukurdani because I love Bokuto very, very much. So it's just this like really cute little chibi haiku tote bag. And I'll show you what I spent my $50 on, and I did spend more money just to get that tote bag. Why? I don't know. I do forget the artist's name, but I will put it on the screen here or in the description box once I find out. So I got this like really cute like mob keychain, acrylic keychain with Kermit. I'm not the biggest fan of Kermit, but I fucking love this keychain. It's so cute. And all of their keychains and items for the same price were like buy two, get one free. I also picked up this Nanami and Kermit little acrylic keychain, and Kermit is drinking lemonade and Nanami is drinking wine, and it is so freaking cute. The last acrylic keychain I got is Bokuto with this, I forget the word, but it's like the little noodle, fuzzy noodle things. And I just thought Bokuto looked really, really cute, so I got that. And the very last thing I got was this really cute Zenitsu like pop socket, and what's cool about these is that I also have some pop sockets from Mimo Puff, so it's interchangeable with the one I currently have, which is my Luffy. And this is from season 2 when they dress up. I forget the correct name, and I don't want to butcher it. So yeah, this is that. So that was everything for this like little mini haul. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All my socials will be linked down below if you want to follow me outside of YouTube. Bye!